It is amazing the recovery time. When I came to Daniel Island, long story short, there was one of the golf courses, the greens were in really bad shape. So we did a double drill and fill, a double 5/8 core. We tractor verticutted them. I mean, some people said there's no way it's going to take 2 months to recover. And prior to that, we did the 14 ounce of the Holganix, and I just put a half a pound of in, and then did the same thing a week and a half later. And within 3 weeks, you didn't even know we did anything. It was very impressive. I would highly recommend any aeration that you do is apply before and after. And I can speak from my experience that recovery time is pretty rapid. And so I was really impressed with that.